many kind of way to presenting the environmental issues. I want to try to change the mind, the opposite way. That monster has a really emotional characters and very soft heart, and I want to showing that even monster can be friend. My name is Yangkura. I'm from South Korea. I had an exhibit here with my trash monster, and I did performance with the Kyungso Park. I feel that we have to focusing all together. People normally, when leave out the boundary, they don't care. That monster made by Korean trash in Japan. Ocean currents keep moving with the ocean trash. Korean impacted by Chinese trash, and Korean trash moving to the Japan trash moving to the Hawaii. Everything is connected moving to some other country. That's why I made this monster. When I collected the Korean trash in Japan, and then the monster coming back to Korea. I hope people thinking when they threw the trash is going to somewhere, impact to some other people, definitely impact something.